सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. We have completed the 17th chapter of Ashtavakra Gita. Today we are entering into the 18th chapter, which is the biggest chapter, very important chapter, where Ashtavakra is talking about Nididhyasanam, how a Jnani conducts himself, perception towards oneself and perception towards the world. With this background, we enter into the first shloka of this 18th chapter. We will read. Ashtavakra uvacha Yasya bodhodaye tavat स्वप्नवद्भवति भ्रमः तस्मै सुखैकरूपाय नमः शान्ताय तेजसे. Ashtavakra, beginning this 18th chapter with a prayer verse, beginning with a prayer verse that is Atma Namaskara. Namaha Sukhaika Rupaya. This is called Atma Namaskara Rupaka Mangala Shlokam. Namaha, my salutations. To whom he is saluting? Namaskara. Sukha eka rupaya. I am saluting to that self, the Atma Swarupam, which is Sukha Swarupam, which is of the nature of Ananda. Sukham alone is there. There is no Dukkham at all. Sukha Rupam, not only that, Eka Rupam. It is the only one, no second thing. The Sukha Swarupa, Ananda Swarupam, which is one alone. Eka Rupaya. To such Atma, my salutations. Not only Sukha Eka Rupam, Shantaya, which is of the nature of tranquility, poisonous, serene, shantam. Atma is that which is of the nature of tranquility, shanta swarupam. Not only shanta swarupam, my salutations to that tejase, which is of the nature of chaitanya swarupam, which is the bright consciousness, the light of consciousness. Tejase means here to that consciousness, brilliant, bright consciousness. Tasmai namaha. To such consciousness, namaha, my namaskars. By which consciousness knowledge, by which knowledge, yasya bodha udaye, by which consciousness, bodha means knowledge, arise, by which consciousness we get the knowledge, or bodha udaye means, bodha means jnanam, udaye means the arisen. When the knowledge emerges, yasya means of which consciousness. When the knowledge emerges out, yasya of which consciousness, tavat brahmaha tavat swapnavad bhavati. Brahmaha means delusion, confusion, ignorance. Brahmaha. Tavat swapnavad bhavati. Tavat, totally, completely. Whatever, once you put light, the darkness totally it will go. It will not remain little darkness, little light. Once the light comes, darkness fully goes. Like that. Brahmaha tavat swapnavat bhavat. Swapnavat means it is as good as dream. Our Brahma delusion caused samsara, world, people, relations, all appear as a dream. For this statement itself, some people are afraid of. Once I go to Ashtavakra Gita, if I look at my husband like a dream, my wife as a dream, then what will happen? So people are afraid of coming to Vedanta class. How we have to understand Swapnavad Bhavati Ityukte, even though you experience the world caused, relations caused, the pain, sorrow will not afflict you. Swapna disappear when you wake up. What is the difference between ordinary dream and this world becoming like a dream after knowledge? What is the difference? You wake up, the dream disappears. No more dream. But whereas when you wake up to your real nature, when you understand your Atma Swarupam, the world continues. Jagat Swapnam continues. But that Jagat loses its reality. Loses its reality, it becomes mithya. Swapnavat, not Swapnam. Swapnavat. Why that vat, swapnavat? Just as in dream all objects are unreal when you wake up, the dream incident will not afflict you. Similarly, after getting self-knowledge, even though the world appears, you are having this body and interacting with the people, world is tangibly as it is available, but it will not afflict you. It will not cause any insecurity, limitation, fear, no more anxiety or fear when you interact with the world at any time, anywhere, after knowledge. That is the difference between that swapna and this swapna. World is also a swapna, but what type of swapna? Unafflicting dream, like Nambave Mudile. That is the truth. Because you are Sukha Swarupam, Ananda Swarupam. Ananda, we translate it temporarily happiness. Happiness is not, this Sukharupam is not belong to the mind, body or objects. This Ananda is independent of any object in the world. This Sukham, Swarupam is independent of any object. It is not conditional Ananda. It survives all the time. Even body mind complex is not available, also it is available. What is the proof? In deep sleep we are all in Ananda. Because of what you are having that happiness? Priya, Moda, Pramoda are not there. Happy, happier, happiest are not there. Therefore, that Ananda is gradation-free Ananda. Gradation-free Ananda, it survives But that surviving Ananda cannot be experienced without mind. That surviving Ananda cannot be experienced without the mind. Mind is required to experience the Ananda. That is why we cannot experience Ananda even though we are in deep sleep, Ananda Swarupam, but we cannot experience at that time. What is the reason? Mind is not available. For example, even though our face is very much available here, original face, I cannot experience my original face. However beautiful it is. Beautiful vechikalam. Okay. It is beautiful. I cannot see my face, original face. To experience the original face, I require a mirror. With the help of mirror only, I can experience my original face. How far your face from you? How far your face from you, Anna? It is not far at all, but still I am not able to experience. Very close, intimate. The most intimate part in the body is what? Face. But unfortunately, we cannot see our face. To experience my own face, I require mirror. Once the mirror is there, I experience my face in the form of reflected face. Reflected face. Similarly, Ananda cannot be experienced without mind, mirror. Their original face, mirror, reflected face. Here, original Ananda, Atmananda, Atmaswarupa Ananda cannot be experienced without the mind mirror. Once the mind mirror is available, original Ananda is experienced by me as experiential Ananda. You can never see a reflected face without original face. Listen carefully. It's a very important point. You can never experience a reflected face without original face. If this is understood, extend this example to Darshtanta. Without original Ananda, Brahmananda, you can never experience Pratibimba Ananda, reflected Ananda. Sangeeta Ananda, Nrityananda, Cinema Ananda, Serial Ananda, Cricket Ananda, any Ananda for that matter in the world, whatever you are experiencing is what Ananda? Pratibimba Ananda. Anandamaya Koshatil Vara Anandam. Adi Pratibimba Ananda. So every Pratibimba Ananda proves what? Bimba Ananda. Every reflected face proves what? Existence of what? Original face. Every reflected face proves the existence of the original face. Similarly, every experiential Ananda proves the existence of original Ananda. How to experience original Ananda? How to experience your face, original face? How to experience your original face? If you ask how to experience Shuddha Anandam, Shuddha Anandam is pure Ananda, without mind, how to experience? I'll ask you, tell me how to experience original face. How to see my original face? You cannot. Similarly, Shuddha Ananda can never be experienced without mind mirror like. Mind is like a mirror, serves as mirror. Now you are any Ananda, whenever you have Ananda, Rasgulla Ananda, Laddu Ananda, House Ananda, Car Ananda, Any Ananda for that matter proves the existence of the consciousness. Satyam Jnanam Anantam. Anandam Brahma. Anando Brahmeti Vyajanat. Ananda Brahma iti Vyajanat. May you understand. That is Sukha Ekarupaya. How many Anandas are there? How many original faces are there? Only one original face. So many reflected faces. Similarly, every body and everybody's mind is serves as a mirror for one consciousness. Just as one original face appear in many mediums like mirrors, as many reflected faces, similarly, in everybody, in every mind mediums, how many minds are there? As many bodies, so many minds. As many bodies, so many minds. In so many minds, Ananda is reflecting. Reflected Ananda is coming. That Ananda is of that original consciousness, Ananda Swarupam. Therefore, what we have to understand, this Ananda Swarupam, Atma alone reflecting as experiential Ananda in everybody's mind medium. Now, how I should say? I, the Atmananda alone, reflecting in all minds in the form of experiential Ananda. What is the consolidating statement? I, the Atma, who am the Ananda Swarupa, Bimbananda, reflecting in all minds as what? Pratibimba Ananda, experiential Ananda, depending upon the conditions. Once it becomes Pratibimba Ananda, it is conditional. Like a mirror, your face, it is concave or convex. Sometimes face is round, sometimes face looks so long. Is there any change in original face? Why that appears differently, concave and convex? Because of medium. Similarly, in one mind, Priya, another mind Moda, another mind Pramoda. Same serial. One person mind that Ananda is okay, this serial is okay, happy. But a same serial gives Moda, happier. I am very, very happy by seeing this serial. There is no change in serial, but the mind, one person to person, it differs. Pramodana, some people are ecstasy. Anandamo, Anandam. So, like mirror changes, the reflection changes. Similarly, when the mind changes, person to person, it differs. Ananda also differs. So, what are all we are getting Ananda, our droplet Ananda every day. Morning, konjam Ananda, breakfast Ananda, lunch Ananda, dinner Ananda. Nice soup Ananda, juice Ananda, all Anandas are அந்த ஆனந்த கழிப்புன்னு சொல்லுவான். பிரம்மானந்தத்தினுடைய துளி, அப்படியே ட்ராப்லெட். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்லோகமே எப்படி இருக்க பாருங்க. We'll go to the next shloka. Ananda is Brahmananda only. Now, what is the difference between that wise person's Ananda and richest person's Ananda? Karodpati, a person who is having lot of wealth, he is also enjoying. And this Jnani also enjoying. Enna periya Brahmanandam. For that he is answering. Next shloka, we'll read. Shloka number 2. अर्जयित्वाखिलानार्धान् खिलानार्थान् भोगानाप्नोति पुष्कलान् न हि सर्वपरित्यागम् अंतरेण सुखी भवेत्. Now you have to supply Purushaha Kaschit, someone, some person. How he is getting Sukha Ananda? Akhilan Arthan Arjayitva. Person get all objects. Akhilan means all, what are all available, RD sale, 50%, 75%. So many things are available. Akhilan Arthan. Arthan means the entire Pandi Bazaar, Usman Road shop. No, all Arthan. If you go to Ratna stores, enough. You get everything for lifelong, whatever you require. Saravana stores. Any stores for that matter. Akhilan Arthan. Now, we are in T Nagar. Akhilan Arthan middle lo irkom. Arjayitva. Having earned them. Having acquired all of them. Arjayitva. By earning money, and he buys everything. Pushkalan, a richest person, acquire, accumulate, amass wealth and amass all objects. And because of objects, he increased his house from 2-bedroom to 3-bedroom flat. Then after grandchildren comes 3-bedroom to individual house. So Pushkalan, because of lot of wealth, Pushkalan. Yesterday you saw in the paper, grandchildren are celebrating the grandfather's birthday from Geneva, from New Zealand, from America, because all were pervading, and the Tata is pervading everywhere by getting a lot of wealth. Children also a type of wealth only, no? Children also a type of wealth. All possessions are also type of, adukku Pushkalan, without anything missing. Pushkalan, onnuku 3 car, 2-wheelers, adu idu ellame. So Pushkalan bhogan apnoti, he attains all pleasures. Bhogan, earn money, get things and enjoy. Pushkalan apnoti. Bhogan apnoti. Very nice. We think if I have this, my life is secure. If I have this amount of money, if I have car, if I have house, if I have this and that, my life is so peaceful, happy. We think like that. But you go and interview that person, are you happy? In AC bedroom, he cannot sleep. So many things are there to eat, but he cannot eat because sugar complaint. Doctor says, uppu saapidade, sugar idu, sweet saapidade, adi saapidade, idi saapidade, enna saapidana, pushinikkai juice saapidade. What is use of that bhogana? He cannot enjoy. There is no security for him. More insecure person is the richest person. Most insecure. Even insecure of his own children. Sometimes insecure of his own children. What sukha is there? Pushkalan arjayitva bhogan apnoti. Some extent he enjoy. Afterwards, body itself says, no, I cannot take. I cannot accept it. Manasikulla vasana, korika, desire is there. I want to enjoy this and all. But he cannot enjoy that. He cannot enjoy it. Why? It's not accepting. Body is not accepting. So he says, then where is the happiness, ananda? Even though all are there, Ashtavakra says real happiness is only here, where sarva parityagam antarena, without renouncing everything. Without renouncing sarvam. Renouncing means you need not write all your property to some ashram or some ஏதோ இருக்கு அப்படின்னு இல்லை அர்த்தம். Parityagam means here what? Never have an idea that I get security, happiness, ananda through my children, house, bank balance. Never expect. Drop that expectation. You need to drop your positions. அப்பா நிம்மதியாக இருக்க சுவாமி. You need to drop your positions. You drop that notion. That is called parityaga here. யார் நம்பி நானும் பிறந்தேன், by trusting whom I have come here. காத்தே காந்தா கஸ்தே புத்திரஹ சம்சாரோ யம தீவ விசித்திரஹ. So we have to understand security, ananda can never come from my children, house, property, possessions, profession. I never get. That understanding is called here sarva parityagam. You can use them, but you should not lean upon them. Using ki leaning ki difference irka illaya? There is difference. If I use them, it is fine. I have to use them. I need house, I need a car, I need money, I need dress, I need so many things. I can use them, but I should not depend upon them for my security, emotional security, for my safe of life, life safety. Safety is not in them. Security is not in them. Internal peace is not depending upon them. Shanti is not depending upon them. Didi purinchukanu. That is called parityaga. Antarena, without that, without dropping this notion, leaning mentality, too much expectation. If my wife is there, she will take care of me everything. How long? What is a guarantee? My husband will take care of, my son will take care of, my daughter will take care of. What is a guarantee? That's why never lean upon. If it is there, okay. If it is not available also, be ready, but never disappoint. Never disappoint. If you are not prepared with this mind, nahi sukhi bhavet. Without this clarity, without this understanding, without emotionally leaning upon them, he cannot be happy at all. Without leaning emotionally. If he lean upon them emotionally, no sukham. So drop emotional dependence. Physical dependence is okay. Even sannyasi also has to depend. This is the difference between wise person and otherwise person. Samsari, ajnani, grihastha lean upon everything emotionally. That is why in spite of wealth he is not happy. Same time a sannyasi, even with little things, he is happy because not leaning upon anything in the world emotionally. That is what he says. Sarva parityagam antarena, without antarena, na sukhi bhavet. Nahi, he enna, indeed, definitely, he can never be happy. அது யார் சுகமாக இருக்க முடியும்னா ஞானி தான். Not a richest wealthy person. They are all conditional. My ananda is because of house. My ananda is because of car. My ananda is because of my son. My ananda is because of my granddaughter. Because of and solli edavadhu eluditelo manasulo, you think that is called pratibimba ananda. conditional ananda, gradational ananda. It disappoint you at any time. Before it is disappointing, I understand it. Okay, I know your nature ன்னு சொல்லி யூஸ் பண்ணணும், அவ்வளோதான். திஸ் கால் மெச்சூரிட்டி. மெச்சூரிட்டி வராது, நல்ல அடி வாங்குற வரைக்கும் மெச்சூரிட்டி வராது சில பேருக்கு. அஷ்டாவக்ர கீதா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வில் கெட் மெச்சூரிட்டி, இல்லையோ நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, that is why in a footnote also he is given Bhartrihari sloka. People are all afraid of one thing or other. That sloka, bhoge roga bhayam. Bhoge, when you are enjoying sense pleasures, person is afraid of எனக்கு சுகர் வருமோ, ஹார்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் வருமோ, பிபி வருமோன்னு ஒரே பயம். என்ன அது வந்தால் இது என்ஜாய் பண்ணக்கூடாது, அது என்ஜாய் பண்ணக்கூடாது. போகே ரோக பயம், குலே சுதி பயம். சம் பீப்புள் ஆர் வெரி வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங் அபவுட் தேர் குல அபிமானம். அந்த குலம் ஏதாவது ஆயிடுதுன்னா, சப்போஸ் தே இன்டர்காஸ்ட் மேரேஜ், இஃப் தே nowadays intercaste marriage is very very common. Kule chuti bhayam, tomorrow what people will think about my family. This boy goes in America and marries someone, what to do now? He has to introduce a daughter-in-law, Louis, Kuis, Kule chuti bhayam. Once you send your children abroad, we do not know whom they are going to marry. Marriages are made in heaven. Fighting is made in earth. Appuram fighting, okay. Kule chuti bhayam, vritte nripalad bhayam. Lot of wealth you earn more and more, and CBI comes for probing. Are you paying tax? Vitte nripalad bhayam. The Raja, government will come and ask tax. Are you a taxpayer? Lot of money you have to give for them. You earn and you have to pay for them in the form of tax. Vitte nripalat bhayam. Similarly, mane dainya bhayam. Manam na lot of respect. Where I get lot of respect from people, suppose my power is gone, I lose my respect. Dainyam bhayam. தீனனா இருக்கணுமே அங்கே போய். ஐ வெண்ட் பை கார், 2-3 cars I had previously. Now I have to go by bus. என்ன மானம் போச்சு, என்ன தைன்ய பயம், தீனதா, pitiable life. Then bale ripu bhayam. If a person is so strong, balam is there, ஏதாவது any enemy will come and fight with me, and ஒரே பயம். என்ன bale ripu bhayam. Rupe jaraya bhayam. If I am so young, beautiful, I may get old age. எங்கே பியூட்டி பார்லர் இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். அப்புறம் டை பண்ணி, ஸ்கின் கேர், பல் கேர், ஹேர் கேர், நெயில் கேர், இதெல்லாம் காஸ்மெட்டிக்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் போய் அது ஸ்கின் கிராஃப்டிங் எல்லாம் பண்ணி போகிறது இல்லை பேப்பரில் டெய்லி அதுதான். ரூபே ஜராயா பயம். பீப்புள் ஆர் afraid of old age. Not only that, Shastre Vadi Bhayam. Suppose you are a well-learned scholar, people may come anytime and they will ask questions. Pratarka, Mimamsa, all Vyakaranam. But எனக்கு தெரியாது கேட்டா அப்படி எப்படி ஆகிடும்? ஓ இவ்வளோ படிச்சிருக்காரு ஒன்றுமே தெரியாதான். சாஸ்திரே வாதி பயம், குணே கல பயம். If you are a virtuous person, following values, Satyam, Ahimsa, all dharma, you are following, suppose. You are afraid of a bad person. அவனு வந்து ஏதாவது நம்மன்னு இது பண்ணுவானோன்னு பயம், கலபயம். Kala means bad person. Gune kalabhayam. Where a good person is afraid of a bad person all the time. Kaye kritantat bhayam. இந்த காயம் இது எப்போ போகுமோன்னு, யமதர்மராஜ் வருவானோன்னு பயம். காயே வித் ரிகார்ட் டு பாடி, கிருத்தாந்தாத் பயம் யமன். ஸோ afraid of யமதர்மராஜா. He may come and will take this body. ஐயோன்னு பயம். காயே கிருதாந்தாத் பயம். போதுமா இத்தனை பயம்? ஸோ சர்வம் வஸ்து பயான்விதம் ப்ருவி நிருணாம். சர்வம் வஸ்து பயான்விதம். வாட் நாட்? எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் அண்டர் த ஸ்பெல் ஆஃப் ஃபியர். எவ்ரிதிங் ஐ மே லூஸ் எட் எனி டைம் என்று ஒரு பயம் இருக்கும். சர்வே வஸ்து பயான்விதம் புவி இன் திஸ் ஆன் திஸ் எர்த் நிருணாம். ஃபார் பீப்புள், அனிமல்ஸுக்கு இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது, நமக்கு தான். நிருணாம் ஃபார் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ். தென் வாட் இஸ் அபயம்? ஃபியர்லெஸ்னஸ். வைராக்கியமேவ அபயம். வைராக்கியமேவ அபயம். Renunciation alone is gives fearlessness, abhayam. Bhoge roga bhayam kule chuti bhayam vitte nrupalat bhayam mane dainya bhanam bale ripu bhayam rupe jaraya bhayam shastre vadi bhayam gune khala bhayam kaye kritantat bhayam सर्वे वस्तु भयान्वितं भुवि नृणां वैराग्यमेवा भयम्. adi parityagam antarena. And the whole sloka he has written here. I didn't see this translation. I got this sloka. Afterwards I saw same thing he has written here. So then I thought we are going in the groove now. Next sloka we will read. कर्तव्य दुःख मार्तांड ज्वाला दग्धांतरात्मनः कृतः प्रशम पीयूष धारासारमृते सुखम्. Now this is a poetical, whole Ashtavakra is in a poetic mood. Kartavyam dukkham. Doing our own duties is the cause for dukkha. Doing lot of duties, this, that and that. As a son or a daughter doing our duties to parents, old parents, bedridden parents, dukkham. Then after marriage, bringing up children, piriya dukkham. Children are good, Swamini, but getting seat for LKG itself, very difficult. Lakhs and lakhs of rupees we have to pay. And we have to bring them up. It is a great strain. Then after they grown up, again another job varanum avanukku. After getting job, again பையனும் பொண்ணு கணிக்கணும், அவனுக்கு மேரேஜ் பண்ணணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் பொண்ணு குழந்தை வரணும். லாட் ஆஃப் எஃபர்ட் இஸ் தேர். again he has to get a job, that too nice salary he has to get. எத்தனை ஒன்றா ரெண்டா அப்பா மார்க்ஸ் 90 கட் ஆஃப், ஏதோ கட் ஆஃப்னு சொல்கிறான். மார்க்ஸ் எனக்கு புரியவே புரியாது அது, அந்த கட் ஆஃப் மார்க்ஸ் என்ன. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒன்று பார்த்துன்னே இருந்தான்னு பாருங்க. கர்த்தவியம், எது வாட் எவர் வி ஹாவ் டு டூ, கர்த்தவியம் இஸ் துக்கம். How, what type of dukkam? It is like how it scorches the person. ஏன் அது துக்கம்? கர்த்தவியம் எப்படி துக்கம்னா, it is scorches like a sun rays. மார்த்தாண்ட ஜுவால தக்த antaratmanaha. His antaratma, his inner mind was tormented, scorched by, burnt by, like the sun rays. Martanda means sun, Jwala means rays, Dagdha means burning. Just today's temperature, okay, today heat is like that, suddenly it has changed. How much tormenting that. Like that, his antaratma means his mind. Here atma means mind. Antaratmanaha kartavyam dukkham. So it is just as the sun scorches everything in the world by his rays, similarly the duty of a human being Duties are not ending. One duty, after that another duty comes. After that another duty comes. Not at all ending, no. Ending, Swamini, when this body ends. Hey, this body ends is not the last end. Again Punarjanma. Again starting. Non-ending. So again continues. So that dukkha continues in the mind. Kutaha prashama piyusha. Prashama piyusha dhara sara mrite rite. Saram rite sukham. Kutaha, where is the prashama piyusha? Without this, rite means prashama piyusha dhara saram rite sukham kutaha. Without enjoying the nectar like Atmananda, without the enjoying or claiming, owning Atmananda, I am Ananda, Swarupam, I am Ana. That we have to claim. That is called Piyusha. Prashama means Shanti. Shanti Piyusha Dhara. Piyusha Dhara means Amrita Dhara. That it has to shower, not droplet. It has to shower. Without that, Rite. Without the Dhara means showers. Dhara Saram. Piyusha Dhara Saram. The essence of that Atma Jnanam, Brahmanishta, out of that the Shanti showers. Ananda showers. Showers upon whom? Don't think, imagine. Don't think literally. Something is showering. Appadi vettaitana, amritamna. It's not like that. Claiming I am Atmanandam, Swarupanandam, this owning up my real nature, I need not seek anything for my happiness. I need not seek anything in this world for my happiness. Why? Nanda, I am giving happiness to the world. I, the consciousness, Atmananda, giving Ananda to everything. Such me is not in need of any Ananda from outside. I need not depend upon anything for Ananda. Why? All Anandas are going from me only. Just like a candle light showing in the Suryan. Suryan Patiya Anna. With the candle light showing the Lord Sun. Paru Suryan Anna. In the Suryan Kamikarthik candle light veduma. Really speaking, your candle light is appearing because of Suryan. Like that, little bit Ananda. Bit Ananda. Bit Ananda comes from infinite to me. I, the infinite, am giving the Ananda of everyone, bit Ananda, put together, ocean of Ananda. I am. Aha. Very easy chollarade. Kutaha sukham. Where is the question of sukha? Unless you claim yourself, you are Ananda Swarupa. But unfortunately, we are searching for Ananda. That story you remember? One person in the well, almost he is falling. That time he catch his one tree. What tree? Edo tree, root. He is holding on to that. He is about to fall, but he is holding on to that. He got a grip. In that situation, what is his tiger was chasing. That's why by mistake he lost his root, and his root is now well only. So he is safe because of one branch he is holding on. He sat down. There is a crocodile opening the mouth. And look at top, tiger is looking at him. When you come out, I will eat you. Crocodile says, how long you can stand? Anyhow you are going to fall, I will eat you. In that time, exactly at the mean time, when the beehive was disturbed from the branch, all bees are just biting him all over. And then rat is coming and biting that branch connection. Almost it is like it's going to fall. A rat is cutting that. Then from the beehive that honey drops are falling, and that honey drops he is sipping. Aha, எவ்வளோ நன்னா இருக்கு இந்த drop honey. This is our Ananda. This is our Ananda. Old age, crocodile, death, tiger, all problems, diseases like bugs, all over. Talavali, pallavali, kaaluvali, muttivali, mudugavali, ella bugs, bees. Indula or Brahmananda or Pratibimbananda thulu. And thinking that Ananda, aha, by missing this Brahmananda. All human beings' joy is like this. Okay, remember this story all the time. It's very good. Next, fourth shloka we will read. Bhavoyam bhavana matra nakhan kinchit paramarthatah nakinchit paramarthatah nastya bhavasva bhavanam bhava bhava vibhavinam. Just nasato vidyate bhavaha sloka. Nasato vidyate bhavaha nabhavo vidyate sataha, second chapter. We are going to see this sloka later. Very, very nice sloka, beautiful presentation. Beautiful sloka. You see that Ayam bhavaha. This universe, bhavana matraha, mithya matraha ityarthaha. Bhavana matraha, mithya matraha. Is born, arise out of just your superimposition, thought, your mental projection, your thought projection. Unless we wake up to our real nature, you can never accept this statement. Whole world is your thought projection. Who will trust? Who believe this statement? Who will believe in this statement? Very difficult. Whole world is your projection, thought projection, mental projection. Ashtavakra says, bhavana matraha, sankalpa matraha, sankalpena. Unless you get that mithyatva nischayam of this universe, you can never accept this statement. But out of Shraddha in Shastra, this must be truth. I am not able to grasp because I am still in ajnanam, ignorance. Let me try. Because Shastra never say lies. There is some truth in that. Therefore, let me try. It takes time. I should not rule out the Shastric statement. Bhavana matraha. Na kinchit paramarthataha. Paramarthataha kinchit na asti. Absolute standpoint, paramarthataha, from reality standpoint, kinchit na asti. It is not there. Nothing is there. Now this pot is there. You are seeing pot. I am uttering the pot name. You are also uttering the pot name. It's looking at the pot. What is our understanding? There is no pot other than clay. You take every object is like this. There is no cloth. There is only fiber. There is no fiber. There is only cotton. There is no cotton. There are only atoms, particles. Like this you go on, sanmoola manvicha. So, na kinchid asti paramarthataha. Really speaking, ஒன்றுமே இல்லை நீ இருக்கே பேசின்னு இருக்கேளே அண்ணா. தட்ஸ் வாட் ஐ எம் டாக்கிங். லிசன். நான் அண்ணா என்ன இங்கே ஐ ஆம் த சாட்சி. I am the Sakshi, second line. Bhava abhava vibhavinam Swabhavanam abhavaha na asti. Vah, what a line. See, brilliance of the teacher, no? Bhava, existent objects. Abhava, non-existent objects. Which are existent, which are non-existent. Vibhavinim, I am just Sakshi. I am the Sakshi. I am the witnesser of existent objects. I am the witnesser of non-existent objects also. Now, you see, you are the witnesser of this object here, pot, which is clay, which is in the form of pot. You are witnessing. Now, I remove the pot. You are witnessing what? Absence of pot. Still, you are witnesser. You are witnesser of existence of pot. You are the witnesser of absence of pot. You are the witnesser of existent pot. You are the witnesser of absence of pot. So you are the witnesser, vibhavi. So existence, nature, non-existent nature, the witnesser, sakshi nature, their non-existence will not be there. எப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது? Existent nature is existent nature. Non-existent, non-existent. Sakshi is Sakshi nature. They have their own nature. Existent can never be non-existent. Non-existent can never be existent. Existent, non-existent witnesser, Sakshi, the witnesser. Sakshi, absent of Sakshi is absent. Sakshi for absent. Sakshi is the one who sees the absence. Sakshi, the witnesser, who sees the absence. Sakshi for absent cannot be absent. Nanna think pannanum. Sakshi, I am the witnesser. For what? Absent. இல்லாததுக்கு நான் ஒரு சாட்சியாக இருக்கேன். சாட்சி ஃபார் ஆப்சென்ட் கேன் நெவர் பி ஆப்சென்ட். இல்லாமலே இருக்கேன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிற சாட்சி இல்லாமலே போக முடியாது, இல்லாமலே போகாது. புரியுறதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். புரிஞ்சா சரி, புரியும். உங்களுக்கு புரியாமல் எப்படி இருக்கும்? சரி. ஸோ அபாவஹா நாஸ்தி. தட் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் அன்ரியல். Unreality of the world non-existent அங்கிறது கிடையாது. Unreality of the world is unreal. It is its swabhava. That will never go away. Abhavaha nasti. World அங்கிறது மித்யா அங்கிறது இல்லாமல் இல்லை. Abhavaha nasti. World பொய் அங்கிறது இல்லாமல் இல்லை. என்ன அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? வேர்ல்டு பொய் என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஏன்னா அதனுடைய ஸ்வபாவம். ஸ்வபாவ அபாவஹா நாஸ்தி. பாவஸ்வபாவ அபாவஹா நாஸ்தி. என்ன அபாவஸ்வபாவஹா அபாவஹா நாஸ்தி. அபாவஸ்ய அபாவஹா. See, a non-existent thing, abhava, its swabhava is what? Non-existent. அந்த non-existent இல்லாமல் இல்லை. அபாவத்தினுடைய ஸ்வபாவம் அபாவம். அந்த அபாவம் என்ன? நான் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ். நான் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ். முயல் கொம்பு, rabbit horn, abhavam, absent. At any time the absent rabbit horn absent will change. That is why abhavaha nasti. முயல் கொம்பு இல்லை அங்கற இல்லாமல் இல்லை. முயல் கொம்பு அபாவம். அந்த அபாவம், அந்த அபாவத்துக்கு அபாவம் நாஸ்தி, இல்லாமல் இருக்க முடியாது. ஆனால் எப்போவுமே முயல் கொம்பு கிடையாது. அந்த அபாவத்திற்கு சாட்சி யாருன்னா விபாவி. சாட்சிக்கு அபாவம் கிடையாது. சாட்சிக்கு அபாவமும் நாஸ்தி. இருக்கிற பொருளுக்கு ரியாலிட்டி, ரிலேட்டிவ் வேர்ல்டில் இருக்கிற பொருளுக்கு கூட அபாவம் நாஸ்தி. ரிலேட்டிவ்லி ரியல், relatively real. I don't want to confuse you. Bhava, abhavatik, sakshi, they have their own swabhava. They can never, their swabhava can never be non-existent. That means what? Brahman is ever existent. Therefore, Brahman ever existent cannot be non-existent at any time because it is swabhava. Brahmanuடைய swabhavam is eternity, for example. The eternity of that Brahman is Brahman swabhava, Brahman's nature. Brahman's eternity abhava na asti. Brahman's eternity absence doesn't exist. Brahman's eternity absence doesn't exist. World is mithya, world is unreal. That's unreal absence never exists. That means world is ever unreal, Brahman is ever real. Who is Sakshi for absent, who is witnesser of absence, is never absent. That is what I said. I am the Sakshi. எப்படி இருக்க ஸ்லோகம்? அப்பா भवः अयं भावना मात्रः न किंचित परमार्थतः नास्ति अभावः स्वभावानाம். அவனுடைய ஸ்வபாவங்கிறதுக்கு அது அப்பவே இருக்கும். எது எது எந்தெந்த ஸ்வபாவமோ அது அப்படியே நான் அசதः வித்யதே பாவः. நான் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ட் cannot have existence. An existent thing can never have non-existent. More in the next class. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ॐ.